In order to really understand the way 9 Star Ki Astrology works, we need to comprehend the 9 principal energies that form the basis of your astrological chart. And the information given in this video refers to each one of them and has been divided as follows. So first one is the element to which transformation stage belongs, the energy. The second one is the character, and it tells you the fundamental qualities of your nature. The third one is health, so what is beneficial and what should be avoided. Occupation, what occupations best suit your nature. And last but not least, personal development, how can you make the most of your nature. So in today's part 1, we are going to talk about the first 5 energies, and the following information will enable you to develop an initial objective understanding of yourself and the people around you. So we start with energy number 1, and this energy belongs to the element transformation stage of water. It is a very disciplined character, can be at times very rigid or very youthful and adventurous. Very sensitive, intuitive, deep thinkers, and values very much independence. You have to take care of the systems controlled by water, such as kidneys, bladder, and your reproductive system. You are excellent musicians, therapists, and writers. Strive to socialize more and allow others access to your intuition and to your humor. And the main character of true soil nature is serving others. They are steady and reliable, nurturing and helpful, and very diplomatic. Be aware of taking care of organs controlled by soil, such as spleen, pancreas, and stomach. You make an excellent teacher or organizer in any type of service to humanity or to your country, but make sure to take enough time and space for yourself to restore your own energy. And the main character of a tree nature is one of full energy, very spontaneous nature, positive, optimistic, creative, and quite straightforward. Any type of organs controlled by the tree, such as liver and gallbladder. You are an excellent athlete, an energetic performer and speaker, and a ground breaker. Take time to reflect and to complete projects. Listen to those around you and balance your big bursts of energy. Energy 4 belongs, like the energy 3, to the transformation stage of tree. Very emotional nature, very gentle and easygoing, but also stubborn and impulsive. Has a great common sense, very practical, good listeners, and an enormous trusting nature. You need to protect organs which are governed by tree nature. So that means liver and gallbladder. Planning and designing future projects, public relations, broadcasting would be occupations that best suit your nature. And it would be good to become less sensitive to the influence of the behavior and ideas of those around you. Star energy 5 belongs to the element of soil. And as a 5 soil, you will always find yourself at the center of the system of astrology. Your character mainly leads you to be in positions of leadership and guidance. and your resilient nature helps overcome challenges, reinvents, or destructs. A very powerful character here. And the greatest ability to recover from stress-related problems and general health issues is to take care of soil-controlled organs. We had that already with the two soils, so mainly spleen, pancreas, and stomach. What best suits you? Positions of control and authority. Pace yourself and avoid burning out. Find some time every day to be with yourself and reflect on where you are and where you are going. Tune in again next week when I go into the 9 star key energies, 6 through 9 in my part 2. Take care, stay safe, keep on the good practice, and bye for now.